Now look at this monkey. It peels the roofs one by one, drops them down, and breaks. He doesn't even bother when someone yells at him to chase him away.
Hey!
This giant elephant is lifting the vehicle a few meters into the air, dropping it down, and making the driver panic. The driver... Orang-utan is a very intelligent animal. It also has very strong hands and feet, but this man is carelessly approaching the orang-utan, and as expected, the orang-utan is pulling his feet, clothes, and hand. Once orang-utan gets us, it will be really hard to release them.